Welcome back. We've mastered the frameworks, but to become a true prompt engineer, you need to understand the engine under the hood. We are going to break down the fundamental logic techniques that determine how an AI processes information. These aren't just tips, they are the cognitive building blocks of every successful prompt. We will cover zero shot, few shot, and chain of thought prompting concepts that sound technical, but are actually simple, powerful ways to guide the AI's reasoning. Mastering these gives you the ability to troubleshoot when things go wrong and optimize when things go right. Just start with the most common method. Zero shot prompting is exactly what it sounds like, asking the AI to perform a task without giving it any examples or prior training. It's the cold call of prompting. You are relying entirely on the model's pre existing knowledge to understand your request and generate the correct output. This works well with simple common tasks where the AI has seen millions of examples during its training. However, for complex or unique tasks, zero shot often leads to generic or inaccurate results because the AI has no reference point for what good looks like. That's where your next technique comes in. Few shot prompting is the single biggest upgrade you can make to your prompts. It just means give the AI examples. Instead of just saying, write a tweet, you show it three tweets you've already written and you say, write a new one like these. It's like training a new employee. You don't just explain the job, you show them the good work so that they can copy the style. This is the trick that fixes about 80% of bad AI responses. But what if the task requires thinking, not just copying? Next is chain of thought prompting. This sounds complex, but it's actually something you learn in grade school math. Show your work. If you ask an AI a hard logic question, it might guess and it might get it wrong. But if you simply add the phrase, think step by step to your prompt, the AI slows down, it writes out its logic before giving you the final answer. This simple phrase forces the AI to be more careful and dramatically reduces errors. Now, let's look at how to handle big projects. Prompt chaining is just breaking a big job into small, edible steps. Imagine asking someone to write a book. That's overwhelming, right? If you ask them to write an outline, then write chapter one, then write chapter two, it becomes easy. That's prompt chaining. You don't try to do everything in one mega prompt. You have a conversation, building the result one piece at a time. It's the secret to doing big, complex projects with AI. Now, let's look at brainstorming. Tree of Thoughts is a fancy name for brainstorming. Instead of taking the first idea the AI gives you, you ask it to come up with three different solutions, compare them, and pick the best one. It's like having a team meeting with three smart people instead of just one. You get better ideas because you force the AI to explore different possibilities before settling with an answer. Finally, let's discuss how to use your own data. Finally, we have RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Forget the acronym. Just think of it as an open book test. Standard AI rallies on its memory, which can be fuzzy. RAG means it gives the AI a specific document like your company manual or a PDF and say, answer using only this information. It stops the AI from making things up and it forces it to stick to the facts you provide. It's the key to trusting the AI with your business data. We're covering the fundamentals. Now it's time to level up. And in the next video, we'll explore the advanced techniques and the world of creative AI. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and the next video will start right now, or you'll have to click it somewhere on the screen. See you over there.